Right, taking an E what that aircraft was, I've just now seen. That was the Dassault Falcon 20. That was the Draken Aviation services. That was just now seen this time apparently, but this is the fighter jet one we've now seen. As it just literally just came over, as I just saw it from the distance. And as you can see, that registration here is G-FRAR today apparently. Obviously it came here, it's just done quite a low pass by the looks of it. As he came here about 25,000 feet from here. This is where I just saw it from the distance. Apparently it's just because, you know, this is currently the fighter jet that we normally see apparently. It's the Dassault Falcon 20 that is. With the registration G-FRAR that is. And the call sign is Amber 3 apparently, so you can see the call sign is Amber 3. That is. That's currently, it looks like it's just doing some training by the looks of it. As you can see here, like it's just been out doing training on the coast by the looks of it, just on the partially just been doing some circuits just over on the south coast by the looks of it, over on English Channel. And as you can see, that just took off from its base, as usual base to Bournemouth Airport. This is where it took off from, apparently, just from its base at Bournemouth Airport. As you can see now, it looks like it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back, I think. Coming back towards it. I think it looks like it's coming back. It probably looks like it's coming back for another loop. But now at 33,000 feet, which I'm going to probably get some more fishes of it, hopefully. But it looks like it's about to come back by the looks of it. But yeah, it probably looks like it's about to come back round, I think. Which I can't tell where he is from here. There he is, I can see it. Just over there. It's a bit windy over there. Like a bit too windy over there. There he is, look. This is where we just saw it coming, it's coming there. Which is just, you can see, as I just saw it, was literally at 33,000 feet from here. And that registration is the same one, but G-FRAR that is. But it looks like the other one's also coming as well, I think. It looks like we've got the other FA20 coming over. By the looks of it. Which I can't even tell where the other one is, to be honest, but obviously if I click on that one is G-FRAF. That is, and yes, I can still see a plane just right over there. It's right over there, I can still see it, but there we go, now he's gone. Now it looks like we've got another one coming in, I think. I can't see the other one at the moment, but this one is G-FRAF, that is. Whereas this one has done the same thing, but this has done a similar train compared to the G-FRAR just did, apparently. Obviously, you know. And that, again, that took off from Bournemouth Airport as well, I think, that one here. There he is, I can see the other one there. There's the other one. fairly from a distance I can see the other one. Okay, that was the second diesel Falcon one I've just seen apparently. The first one I just seen, which that was G-FRAR, that was. I think the first one I prefer apparently, that came in lower compared to the G-FRAF just did apparently. Hold on. Oh god, now ADXB is playing up. God's sake. It's always messes the thing up every time though. This bloody ADXB, it just always messes itself up. Oh yeah, I think the other one's coming back round. Can't see it, but there he is. Coming round. Just looks like he's about to turn round. There he is. The sun's in the way. God. There he is. So anyway, so that's so the other one is just turned around apparently, you know, and that was G-FRAF, that was. But obviously with this call sign here, it's also amber as well, but this is the amber 1 call sign with this one. That one's a Falcon 20E, that one is. So yeah, so that one's a Falcon 20E, that is. ADXB still a bit stuck, but there we go. Now it's unfreezed itself. So the first one we just saw there, that was G-FRAR, that was, and that call sign was amber 3. The second one, just seen, that was G-FRAF, that was, and that one with the call sign amber 1 as well. So anyway, that was 2 of the fighter jets we've seen so far, apparently. As I've just now filmed it for like 10 minutes or so. About a 10-minute video, this is about to say now, apparently. Hopefully with them 2 fighter jets, hopefully they should be heading back to their base at Bournemouth Airport, I suppose. Or not unless they're going to go for a fuel stop at Newquay Airport first, I don't know, to be honest. Because I'm a bit concerned they're probably going to go Newquay Airport. That's because Thursdays they normally go for a fuel stop at Newquay Airport. And then, well, obviously because they go for fuel stop at Newquay Airport. So yeah, this is why they go for fuel stop normally at Newquay Airport. Obviously because of the season, well, it's because of the seasonal just changed apparently. That's because we haven't seen any Hawks yet apparently, or the Royal Navy's one yet apparently. It's very weird because I haven't seen any Royal Navy's yet though, which is very weird. Okay, so yep, that was the 2 of the FA20s we saw so far. One was G-FRAR and one was G-FRAF. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.